What's up, team? It's Real Spaz from Alpha Day Trading, and in this video, I'm going to break down my trade, and I'm even going to show a live stream of my trade that lasted 2 minutes and made me, as you can see down here, it made me $130 in literally 2 minutes. Let's go over the trade right here, right now. Right now it's about 12:14. This play happened around 9:30 on BWV. I was watching BWV. I even drew a trend line here from 364 until this first lower low. So I made a trend line, but it's pre-market, and I didn't even want to get involved pre-market with any stock because nothing was really standing out. So when this did break the trend line, I was looking at BBY. Here, I'll pull that up real fast. Was it BBY? Yeah, BBY went up to $30. Pre-market it was at 25. So this went up $5, and I was keeping my eye on this to see if it would have a pattern that I want to get involved in, but it didn't show any pattern that I personally wanted to get involved in. So I continued to watch BWV. But anyway, on BWV, I got involved this first green arrow at about 379. It was 379. Bought just 200 shares, and I only bought right here because I needed this key level to break. I needed strong volume. I needed great price action. I needed a lot of indicators that shows me that this is going to break, because if it didn't break, it was going to touch this level right here, this green dashed line, and that is former resistance. But as you know, or as you may not know, and you will learn today, old resistance acts as new support. So if there's a ceiling and the trend is trying to break it, and we do break it, we know we really break it if we come back and test the resistance, test that ceiling to make it a new floor. So we break the ceiling, we make it a new floor, and we continue up. And this is exactly what we did here. I bought 200 shares, spending about $650, $700. Bought another 100 shares at 423. I sold 100 of my shares because, again, I made it to my first target at 446. I'm up 50 cents a share. So I sold 100 shares. But then we broke this level of 465, and I was watching the level 2, and it was stacking, showing me signs of buying pressure. So I bought another 100 shares before it started dumping on me. And this is a doji candle here. Let me zoom in right here. This candle shows us signs of a reversal, that it came up to 443, it touched 483, and it gave everything back all within this 1 minute. So I know this is a doji candle, so I decided to take all of my position off the table. At this point, when it came up to about 480, I was up about $180. I sold again at 450. So when it came down to about 25 cents, I sold the rest of my position, leaving me at 140. You're probably asking yourself, that only comes up to 400 shares, Spaz. What happened to this other 65 shares? Well, I meant to buy another, so about 20 minutes went by. I saw another downtrend break. I saw that we closed right here above 433, above this candle. That shows me a sign to get in if I want to get involved. So I got involved here, but then it tried to break over this 446 3 times. This minute, this minute, this minute. So within 3 minutes, I decided just to take a small winner. It was only maybe about 30 cents or like $3 or so, because I meant to buy 650 shares, but I ended up only buying 65. So this would have been a great play if I bought as much as I wanted to, but I guess it didn't play out the way I wanted it to. So no biggie at all. I'm still walking away with a few $100s. And as we're talking about this, hold on, let me zoom out of this, because this just broke resistance as we're speaking. Look at that. Holy cow. It broke that 465 resistance, went up another dollar as I'm breaking this stock down. That's pretty crazy. And this, as you can see it to the far left, this is BWV. This is number 2 leading gapper. Like I said, I was paying attention to this in pre-market. For example, if you bought 100 shares at this support level of 334 and you just held 100 shares, you would be up $200 right now off a $300 investment. That's pretty impressive. That is very impressive. That's over a 50% return, boys and girls. But anyway, continuing. So I sold all my position at the bottom of this doji candle, and I'm happy. I'm very happy with where I got in, where I got out. Like when I write down in my trading journal in a little bit, I'm still happy with this. Even if this play didn't make me make $130, I lost money, I would still be very happy with my game plan, where I got in, where I got out. I saw this big ass spike. Look, 2 million volume. 2 million people started trading this when I got involved. Before, there was point less than point 0.5, less than 500,000 people, and then right when I get involved, 2 million. I mean, I can't hate. I'm pretty impressed with this trade. I'm pretty impressed with the trade. All right, now here we go with the live stream. Bro, I just made 140 bucks in 2 minutes. I just made $140 in 2 minutes. Holy cow, that was good trading.